Ashley the trend center, Ashley the topic, Ashley the girl of the season signage for real. She is. Cause tell me, why would this people talking about this girl, guys? This girl carries star power. Like, we give her all you plenty for this girl. I keep using her as a point of contact to fellow housemakers, great Stevers though. Like, anyway guys, have you engaged? Like, okay, share, comment. So when the cheese is cooking, definitely to about you. Downstep, don't leave it there. Always tuning and steady. Baby girl still rocking her, be beautiful. What fans are still trending on at AO. That is AO mode. That is the name of her brand. And you can see she posted this on her, IG story. She said, "Hi guys, please order via our Instagram DM from 11th until this, as our website is crashing due to high." Oh, you will all say this, right? But it has been fixed. Yes, for those who saying this, it has been fixed though. No be small matter. Those who are laughing through shade Ashley, guess what? Even in her life today, we even asked her about the time, and she even, set out this time, and she said, "Here, is house order tonight from to keep them giving them update and guide." It may seem as though the website is out and shopping continues. Packing your mood, selling your style, delivering confidence. One your own mood package at time from AR. So guys, is giving this is beautiful, man. Your like the package is giving 100. Guys, you take a look at the package, like timeless presentation for a timeless brand, because great style begins with a beautiful introduction. AO Moody's have a place and order which you all see it. We can't wait to serve you. It's giving burn. You can see the video flaunting cousin. Like, is the way you showcase your brand for me that was feel good about you, because like the way you carried yourself is what you will make you sell, because you can't just leave yourself like that. Package yourself. Packaging, this life is packaging, okay? Even little things as what you least expected will make headlines if you didn't package yourself very well. If you're watching live too, if you didn't package yourself, you'll be looked down upon, except those who have the innermost eye, innermost chamber. Oh yeah, let me use that word. We'll now get to see your worth and your qualities when you spill or when you show one or two potential. They were like, "Oh, you're hiding yourself. Why?" Anyway guys, let's see. Oh yeah, it's giving competition. I can see her trending, her be beautiful. It's giving discount louding. That is when you saw her spilling there in the beginning of the clip. All right, so guys, it's ranging Ashley and brand. If Ashley said, "I got no time with guys, I am busy with my business," and the way she is so proud of her business, guys. Life, no, in fact, life is cool when you got people by your side. Imagine a girl getting her own house, bought a car, and got her own business. That is what life is all about. When you achieve all this, like the rent, or you have no problem, what you'll be looking out for is just to help out, to engage, to help people and stuff like that, because that is my motive in life. Anyways, the final lap, and it's time to go all out for. Remember, this is her, seeing one or two, but guys, I haven't seen this. Mandy Hagan is crashing. Why is she crashing? She said, "This is not about success, my dear. It's about me saying something, then it happens. Then I don't get an apology. I wasn't being spiteful when I said what I said. I know what I was speaking on since I was in the same house with them. Them succeeding has nothing to do with me. Admit when you're wrong and stop adding things that are unnecessary. Wrong is wrong." Like, invariably, not invariably, specifically speaking to Ashley. When the sources were talking about the fans were lauding and stuff like that, she added this to say, and people were like, "Oh, that is not good. That is not thoughtful of you, Mandy Hagan." This was that I come across this, and so many things flood back into my mind. Ashley, you were just honest and true. Likely, the energy was not reciprocated. It's okay, such a life. Guess there was a reason why that happened. Have you? And 9 months later, you are 9 months later. You are still loved by fans. Good things are happening to you, and more are still to come. If only we know on the 12th February that everything was going to turn out like this, I guess we would not have cried and be hurt the way we were. We wanted more for you. We felt the BBM has denied you your potential and what we can do for you. We did it. We did not even get a small chance to cast vote for you in BBM. So everything that is happening to you, my baby, is a chance we never got. You're loved and blessed. Oh yeah, like, no be lie, yo. If you check you don't clock this one. Clock it, guys, clock it. Anyway, for you, that is what it is though. because her getting this hype so far, they were like jealousy, now you be this. That is what it's giving, because Mandy Hagan was like, I'm not about people's success, blah blah blah. For the fact that she did what she did in the house, and we all know that she's wrong, and there's no apology towards the blah blah blah. That's coming from who? From who to who? Like, it doesn't tend to say nobody relationship is ever guaranteed. Like, I don't understand. Mandy Sissy, what do you mean? You want an apology from fans? For what? Like, people will not assume that, everything's gonna be Ashley centered. This reunion. If I haven't seen what Megan Hagan said, they assume already. They were like, the gang up is all about them ganging up against Ashley, and Ashley took the bold step to, declare immediately. Do you see that? So you see the notion of that person penning that, there is a reason for everything. You guys, they are bringing the emotional season this way. The way these people are quiet, I hope people are ready. Because ever since they announced the reunion, it may seem as though the Umlilu are the one announcing the showing the so far. The housemaid so far has been flaunting. You will see them in their full glory, the way they showcase themselves. I was like, more of this, some people are like, it may seem as though they are not attending, they're not gonna come, blah blah blah. That is the notion that is given. So, hey. So guys, I was saying that. What do you feel like? Are they jealous? Yeah, jealous is an understatement, right? But actually making it, like, you can see that long episode from Ashes, like, down to say ganging about you clocking someone's relationship not working out is insane. Business considering you couldn't clock the be daddy of your own child. Let's not do that at the moment. Guys, anyway, they are coming for Mandy full time. Tell me why you go about saying gibberish days. Like, what a relationship, what a hell. They were like, it seems as if everything is playing against Ashley while reverse is the key. That's right off seems like, oh really, if you're not loved by every housemate, you're not loved. Forget about these thoughts. All you do, your success is not the reason, your character is what is the main goal, because you attract, just like what Nate said, you attract what you get, and what you get, those people are just like you. So leave it or no visa, guys. I don't understand all this. Anyway, assumptions has been flying like mad. The Ashley, Daisy, they are even shipping how we see Belly this moment, like, go and have thing with Belly. This is your real love. Someone who love you right off the get go. Like, guys, blah 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 on the TL. I'm tired because the DSTV becoming irrelevant right before our eyes, losing all the relevant channel and shows. The only thing they have left is Big Brother. No wonder they are even shoving Rowena right down our axe. Rowena is coming up, so they have to create some sort of buzz, because why they were quiet the whole time and coming out now, and it pisses me off because they're all targeting one person, and it's the same that one person. One thing they will spill about Ashley with Scarlett, guys, you cannot see this. Also, they can't train their show without involving someone that didn't attend the show and is busy with her life. It's screaming, guys. It's screaming desperation. But the show have not starting on the 14th, and this is happening. Guys, are you seeing for yourself? This was the problem that start when you believing in gifting, not handwork, laziness, not hustle, drama, not peace. No one will know the value of something when it comes without lifting a finger. How pathetic. This shade is for Ashley. And it's also, you people are so hot. It oozes from your tweets. Like, so Ashley is lazy. Seeing how she could do it. I don't you guys are dumb. Dumb come? Yeah, dumb come. That is when you guys are too dumb and dumb at times to see, fail to see things. Because it's actually like you're calling this because she's loved. This was the hypocrisy you all practice against others, and all these euros should be for him. Though, because the person you are shading is very hardworking, otherwise her brand won't be praising her every time. She got an international award on merit. Hoping you know what merit means. Hey, why did he also pin his account for donation immediately when he got outside the house? Mind you, he heard already, like, they were like, that Ashley is lazy, blah blah blah. They were like, you see the account stuff, like they were just coming for each other, guys. Let's make it make sense. Okay, the notion given here about her being lazy doesn't make sense. You guys look, like she always said, look for another drag, because coming off with the same drag doesn't make sense. That's what it's giving, because I don't understand. Oh god damn, you guys, making matter was the way it should, and some truths come off, blank, empty barrel, make empty verses make the loudest noise, guys. That is what it's giving. You guys know the truth. I'm coming for her. You all know that she is the clouds. Okay, I'm not trying to compare her with anybody. She is on her own lane and on that grace that's pure for her. Keep her going. When you see one at this, okay, everybody has their own upside. She might have her own bad side. She has her own bad character. What she portrayed in the show, some of the characteristics she portrayed wasn't given in the show. I'm not gonna lie, but they're making her look like she's a hit or she lose value or stuff like that. Is it not so much? Is it not so much? You guys should be coming down on that bridge because you are more than what you think. Okay, or we have a business to run. Please stop commenting on people's posts. Like, tell them loud it, guys. Is giving Ashley and no, they were like, it seems like I don't think Vicky and Uyanda and Sikali will say anything bad about Ashley. They are, selecting people who's gonna speak good, because people assumed already that Ashley got nobody by their side, and people were like, Sikali, Uyanda and Vicky gonna speak good. In as much if everybody is gonna be against Ashley, these people, some people were like, oh, Uyanda, that have moved on. I don't think Uyanda had something to spill about Ashley. Blah blah blah, guys. Why some people are saying that Hagan reply is coming from somewhere. She didn't just reply out of a blue, that something triggered that. And someone, this Ashley fans that say Guluva owns Ashley public apology with him bowing his head down, not even joking, had been making headlines. Blogs carrying it all along. You can see this is one of the blogs that was keep flying in. I was like, hey, comments plenty. People like, oh, these Ashes are just joking, like, because the way he carried Ashley for sure. They keep talking about Martin Guluva. But guys, you feel like it's what need doing? Is it what need doing? That's what I'm asking. Is it what doing? Like, did Sweet Guluva what? Tendering apology? But I don't even like the way he is moving push, because the way he's carrying everything as if Ashley is the problem. Like, so he moving that way, engaging with Ashley haters, stuff like that, give me the saying that he is not happy, he is bitter, and so on and so forth. And guys, everybody in their own ways of like, dude, he really doing what he does. We need not to judge anybody though, because you aren't cool with other people. That doesn't mean he's not gonna be cool with others though. But anyway, they're done with Ashley is Wahala will always be by herself. In fact, it's gonna be Ashley's center. Notice and know peace, because even her presence, her absence will even speak for her. This is the kind of thing that will happen. Watch it. Anyway, Liema has moved on from that weirdo. Do you know what this is coming from? People posting that Liema is on a new date, like she'll move on, because there is this notion of her saying there is nothing between her and Jarreed anymore. It was a foolish of her to even date him after he embarrassed her like that. Oh really? That is Jarreed. Hi boy, Liema is still dating you, Jarreed. When a woman moves on this quick, it means she's already dating the new dude, or he was on the standby. So guys, all this narrative you see here, reason I'm not reading it out, because there is this particular scene Liema was seeing and was asked a question, and she was like, alone, I'm not dating anybody. And people was like, huh. So they were assuming this showing off a new date and not showing off the person for they assume that, oh yeah, that she's dating, that she has called it off with Jarreed. And why some people are still saying that she's still dating Jarreed, she don't want the notion of being dragged anymore. Because when they showed up themselves like that, what happened, people were like, oh really, shame on Liema, they dragged Liema to the end because someone had a lot to speak about you, like this blah 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 stuff like that. Anyway, that's on her, because she's doing her regardless. Whatever you guys had to say, even if they are together, she choose not to let it. She choose to let it slide. What if, even if they are not, the both, she know what to do with her life, right? So you guys stop being this housemate for yourself. Just stop being them and be yourself. Anyway guys, what do you have to say? Because I heard this saying that today is my holiday wedding. Do you resonate with that? We don't know though. We get to see if really it's just someone posted it, but we don't know for now. Guys, engage, okay? Bring do up the conversation as it plays, because right now I'm hanging up. Okay, catch you in my next clip. Bye for now.